Hi, Mark Reedy here. Just wanted to show you real quickly a new spreadsheet that I created, and this one will show you work orders inventory installed by customer, by year, and by inventory type. So if you want to see, for example, how much you spent on tires for a specific customer, and the customers, I mean, if you're not don't have outside customers, then it would typically be in-house. Or if you're using that customer drop down on the equipment summary tab, then it might be something else that you assigned it to, like a different um, location or something like that, different division of your company. So basically we're going to download this here and just go to save target as. And I've already downloaded it once, so I'll download it again there. And I'm just going to go ahead and open it. For some reason my Excel program is not working quite right. This is Excel, I think it's 2016, it could be 2019, because I got the Office 365 on this machine. So what I got to do for some reason is I got to go to New, create a new workbook, and then I can go and open that file. Okay, so there's the file. I'm going to click Enable Editing and then Enable Content. And now we need to link it up to our TATEMS data. So if your TATEMS data is in the C program files x86, not x86, but just C program files TATEMS 2005 folder, then it will just show up. But if it's somewhere else, you'll need to link it up. So I'm going to go over here to TATEMS, go to the networking under Tools. I'm just going to copy this path, right click and choose copy after it's highlighted. And I'm going to go back over to Excel. I'm going to go over here to Data, Queries and Connections. Right click on the file name over here on the right, choose Properties. Click on the Definition tab, and down here where it says Source Equals, I'm going to highlight everything after the equal sign and before the semicolon. I'm going to right click and choose Paste, and now we have the new path in there. I'm going to click OK, and now it's highlighted, or actually it's brought in all the data from that database. So now we can choose to see only specific information. So for example, if you just want to see the stuff for 2018, I'm going to go ahead and click on that drop down. I'm going to click on the select all to unselect everything, and then I'm going to click on the 2018. And so now we can see everything for 2018 for all customers. So if I want to see just a specific customer, I can choose this one down here. And now you can see, for example, you could see tires costs for that particular customer. You could see electrical costs. You could see engine costs, filters, fluids, fuel system, air brakes, brakes in general, and for example the ABS system. So you could see the what you had spent for each category of inventory type. So this is one reason it's a good idea to have your inventory type selected for each part that you're using in work orders, and then the inventory type should be more broad categories instead of every single part having its own type, so that everything is sort of grouped together underneath these umbrella categories like tires or transmission, for example. And so that's it for that spreadsheet, and hopefully that's helpful for you. And the only thing I wanted to tell you is that probably we'll create some other ones here that don't group by customer. It'll just be your entire fleet. So you could just see the entire fleet, and then we'll probably create another one where it's grouped by, where you've got grouping by, for example, equipment numbers. So each piece of equipment could have, you could see exactly how much you spent on each type of inventory for each piece of equipment for each year. All right, hopefully that's helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care.